This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you are signed into an administrator account. This gives the permissions you need. Once done, open PowerShell as administrator. This is faster and avoids third-party risks. Check whether Office is 32-bit or 64-bit because file paths differ. Use Control Panel or Settings to confirm. Make sure Office is closed before running commands, and prepare to enter a few PowerShell lines that read stored product information. This is the first actionable move. Now you navigate to the Office installation path that matches your business. This ensures commands run against the right files. Next, execute the PowerShell sequence that reads the digital product ID from the registry and decodes it into a readable product key. This explains how the binary data maps to the familiar 5x5 format. If the install used a Microsoft account instead of a product key, go to your account page and view your license entries. This provides an alternate retrieval method. Finish by saving the recovered key in a secure place and using it to reactivate Office through Settings or the appropriate activation command. Make sure the key matches your Office edition. Home keys won't activate Pro, so edition mismatch is a common reason for failure. If activation still fails, sign in with the Microsoft account originally used, reassign the license if it's tied to another device. And as a last resort contact, Microsoft support for account-linked recovery. These steps close the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.